Sweetie, I wanted to tell you something. I know over the years I haven't been the best boyfriend. Um, if anything, I've been a really toxic boyfriend. And I don't know how you put up with me. You put up a lot throughout the years. And after doing some self-reflecting, I realized how toxic I am, you know. And I wanted to tell you that I'm sorry. And I know that throughout the years I've been separating you from your family, and I'm sorry. And I had good reason to. It's just that I knew that your parents wouldn't approve of me. I knew that your family wouldn't approve of me. You know, and I was afraid of losing you, and I just didn't want to lose you. And I felt like the best way to keep you was to separate you from your family. I didn't want anyone else to influence what we have together. So I did what I had to do, because that's what I believed that was right for us. You know, I just wanted you, and I didn't want anyone getting away with that. So I just wanted to tell you I'm sorry. And I also wanted to apologize about how I didn't allow you to see your friends or have any friends. It's just that I knew what they were going to say about me. I knew that they weren't going to approve of me. I knew that they were going to tell you that I'm toxic, that you could do better, that I'm a bad boyfriend. And I was afraid of losing you, and I didn't want to lose you. I really didn't. So I did what I did, and I isolated you from your friends and from the world. Because I thought that if I isolated you, I would be your only option, and if I was your only option, you would have no choice to be mine. And I was just so afraid of losing you. And that's why I did what I did. And I know it's toxic, and maybe I was in the wrong, but I did it because I love you. And I didn't want anything to stand in the way between me and you. And I just want to let you know that I'm a changed man. I am. I am a changed man, and I know that I can treat you right. I know. And I'm gonna do better. I'm gonna do better for us, and I'm gonna do better for you. I love you. I do. And I would absolutely do anything for you. Because you're my little princess. Okay? And I love you so much. No, sure, sweetie. You can ask me anything, okay? Oh, sweetheart. No, you can't leave. You know how hard it was to kidnap you, build this cage, keep you secret? It was very, very, very hard, and I'm not gonna just let you leave, okay? No, sweetie, you know I love you. I love you so much, I really do. I mean, you're my everything. Oh, you'll learn to love me, you will. You just gotta stay here for a little bit longer. And once you stay here for a little bit longer, you'll understand how much you love me. I mean, you weren't here for that long. It's only been 10 years. No, don't worry, sweetheart. Let's give it 10 more years. I think if we give it 10 more years, you'll understand how much you love me. Trust me. You're my everything. And I love you so much. Now you keep on calling me crazy. I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy. Would a crazy person keep you here locked up like this? I don't think so. I'm not crazy. I may be crazy in love, but that's about it. I'm not a crazy person, but again, I'm just madly in love. I'm crazy in love with you, that's all. Nothing more, nothing less, okay, sweetheart? And you, my dear, should be crazy in love with me too. You should. It'll be fun. I know, but you can never leave, and I'm not crazy. I just want to let you know I'm not crazy. Okay? I love you very much. You're my everything. You're my princess. I want you to understand something. You're never gonna leave. You're gonna be mine forever. Do you understand? Oh, don't be scared. I love you so much. And don't worry. You love me too, you just don't know it yet. No, I'll never hurt you, princess. Oh, don't be sad. Everything's gonna be okay. Don't cry. Don't cry, sweetie. You're never gonna leave here. There's so many wonderful things that we can do together. Like hold hands. We can cuddle and watch movies. So many fun activities like board games. Yeah. We can do everything together. You'll love it. Not only that, I can buy you anything you want. Just ask me, I'll go out and I'll buy it for you and I'll bring it back. Anything you want. I would buy you the whole world if I could. And I love you so much. In every single way. You'll be so happy here with me. You will. No. I can't let you see your family. You're never gonna see your family again. You're gonna stay here with me. And only me, and you'll be so happy. You'll be really, really happy. And now, sweetie, I told you I can never let you go. You belong here. This is where you belong. Okay? You belong here with me. never leave this place. You will never leave this place. Okay? Do you understand? Good. I'm glad you understand. No, you wanna leave the cage? No, sweet, I can't. Can't let you do that, okay? It's because I need to trust you. Once I trust you, then I can let you leave the cage. Okay? No, I'm sorry. Just once I know that you love me as much as I love you, then maybe I'll let you walk around in the basement, okay? I just need to trust you, that's all. Do you understand? And I know you have it deep inside you to love me. I know you love me, you really just don't know it yet. And I love you so much, because you're my beautiful princess. Okay? Here, don't be sad, okay? Don't be sad. Come here. Come cuddle with me. Come cuddle with me right now. Don't be sad. It's okay. Here, come close. I don't bite. There you go. Isn't this better?